Hi, my name is Mark Burley, and in this video I'm going to show you how to overcome some of the common problems that users come across with Dragon Naturally Speaking. Now, one of the first aspects that I would ask users to consider would be the laptop on which Dragon is running. In a lot of cases, the software may not run correctly on the hardware, on the computer, because of performance issues of the computer. It may be a case that your computer has a virus of some kind, it's quite old, the RAM might not be large enough, the processing power of the computer itself might not be large enough. But I've just highlighted here some tips as to what I do with my computer to make sure it's running efficiently. So as you can see, I have it step 1 down to step 5, and if you were to just browse over those and check them out, that would be great. Now, the next task I want to show you in terms of making sure Dragon is working correctly is the microphone. So what you would do is you would go to the bottom right hand corner, right click the speaker, press recording devices, and here at the moment I only have one recording device. In a lot of cases, when you open your sound system, you'll find there will be more than one recording device. What you would do first would be to make sure you disable all recording devices apart from the headset that you were using for Dragon Naturally Speaking. And you would do this by right clicking on the recording device and pressing disable. Now in this particular instance I only have one, as I said, so the one that you want to use as the recording device, you press set as default. Now since this headset is already my default, it's not highlighted. So once you have that sorted, the next stage would be to just make sure that the headset is working correctly. So press configure, and inside here, this is Windows 7, you would press set up microphone. I believe it's the same process with Windows 8. So it's a headset microphone that I'm using. Just make sure that the headset is properly placed, and this is crucial. Making sure that you don't have breath included in the microphone when it's picking up speech is important. So as you can see at the moment, when I'm speaking, the volume on the microphone is in around the green range, and the green range is the perfect optimum range for Dragon to accurately listen to and decipher what you are saying. So I'm happy with that. Now you could not, as an alternative, you could dictate exactly as it states there, but I'm happy with the overall speech of my headset, so I know there isn't an issue there at that particular stage. The next thing I want to show you now is the features within Dragon Naturally Speaking. So in the Dragon toolbar you will have a help button. Click on that, and then you would have an improve my accuracy button. Now inside here you have a whole host of different features which can help to improve the accuracy of your user file. So as I stated, I made a few initial checks on the microphone, and Dragon Naturally Speaking also provides its own check system to make sure that your microphone is working correctly. So you would follow through those tasks. The next task I would recommend would be to launch accuracy tuning. Now this is at the core of making sure that your profile is up to date and performing to the optimum efficiency. You would just simply press go, and it would perform the acoustic optimization and also the language model optimization. It would take roughly 30 to 45 minutes depending on the speed of your computer, but it is essential, and I would recommend that you do this on at least a weekly basis, preferentially on a daily basis. And if you want to, when you're starting off using Dragon for the first time, If you have a computer that has a lot of Word documents, a lot of emails that you've sent through Microsoft Outlook, then Dragon can dramatically increase the efficiency of recognizing your voice by you training it with the documents. So what you would do is you would simply press learn from specific documents and follow through that, and learn from sent emails, another crucial aspect. Why would this be so useful? Well, because everybody in their different field of work has a different language that they use. So in my field of work, assistive technology, it would be slightly different to somebody who's in a field of work of, say, engineering or philosophy or ancient Greek and Roman civilization and so on and so forth. You'll have these subtle changes of language that are very personalized to people, and this is how Dragon recognizes and improves upon your way of speaking. So that's more or less it in terms of the problems that you may come across when using Dragon, the suggested solutions that I have, and thank you for watching.